Probably ang pinaka-nindot nga advice nga ako nakuha throughout this year kay be your own best friend. Usually kung natay friends and na sila problema, we try to be practical sa atong advice and we try to give out atong pinaka-best nga advice in a way na pinaka-sweet, pinaka-caring, o pinaka-buutan nga way sa pagstorya. But when it comes to ourselves, most of the time, kuan man ta good ka na we become so harsh gani. Like we judge ourselves so hard when we make decisions when that are not right gani. We become so judgmental of ourselves. It's like we can't sa uban mo okay lang, we can be gentle nila. Pero sa ato, sa lisod to be gentle sa pagkagalingon. So, becoming your own best friend basically says na murag, if mo treat kasi mo friend as gentle and as sweet as you can, then you can do it with yourself also. Yeah.